What if you could turn lengthy formulas into something as simple as this, then reuse it across all your sheets in the workbook, or replace repeated calculations into meaningful names like this? The good news, Excel can do both. Let me show you how. For this example, I need to calculate bonus based on profit. If profit is over 10,000, the bonus is 10%. If it's over 5,000, the bonus is 5%. Otherwise, there's no bonus. A simple if formula will do the job. And there we go, it works. But there's one thing that really annoys me about formulas like this. Look how many times I'm calculating the exact same thing, revenue minus cost, revenue minus cost. If I ever had to change how profit is calculated, I would have to update it everywhere it appears. There is a much cleaner way to do this, and it starts with let. Let allows us to give our calculation a name. I'll call it profit. Then we define profit as revenue minus cost, which is B2 minus C2. Think of it as storing profit in Excel's brain. Now as soon as I start typing profit, Excel suggests it as an option. From this point on, I can simply use profit instead of typing B2 minus C2 over and over again. Same results, cleaner formula. Now let's take it to the next level. Convert your data into table and give it a name. Now watch what happens. As soon as I type an opening square bracket, I can choose the exact column names instead of cell references like B2 or C2. Now the formula starts reading like a code, then an Excel spreadsheet. And if you hit this spill error, easy fix. Just add @ before your column names or select the cells directly. Now check this out. I only wrote the formula once. Excel filled every row automatically. And because we're using a table, I don't have to drag the formula down anymore. Next time you add more data, the formula will update automatically. But what happens when next month the data arrives in a completely different format? The columns have changed, the names have changed. I copy the same formula across and it breaks. The calculation hasn't changed, but the references have. I could fix the formula again, but what if the format changes again next month? Instead, let's turn this calculation into something we can reuse again and again with LAMBDA. Go to Formulas, open Name Manager, and give your calculation a name. I'll call mine calc_bonus. Now wrap the formula inside LAMBDA. Add revenue and cost. You're basically telling Excel, whenever I give you revenue and cost, use this formula. Click OK. Now get ready for the magic. As soon as I start typing calc_bonus, Excel suggests the function we just created. Select it, give it the revenue and cost values, and that's it. Same calculation, different column names, no rebuilding the formula. But the thresholds have changed. Normally that means updating formulas everywhere. Not anymore. I simply open Name Manager, update the thresholds, click the green tick, then OK. Done. This value changed from 450 to 900 and this one changes from 0 to 200. Every sheet updates automatically from a single change. If you found this useful, consider subscribing. There is plenty more modern Excel content on the way. Until then, keep building smarter spreadsheets.